There are many causes that can cause a car to lose power on the climb, especially if you are accompanied, if you have the air conditioning on, or if the car is overloaded. Here we are going to detail the most common causes that can provoke this type of problems. The first would be dirty injectors or injectors in poor condition. Poor maintenance or the lack of a working injector can cause the car to lose a lot of power, especially on climbs. This may be alerting that the injectors need a good cleaning, filter change, among others. The second thing would be clogged or dirty filters. When the filters are clogged or very dirty, especially the gasoline filter or the air filter, it is very difficult for the car to transfer the gasoline or to transfer the air that is needed, and for that reason it suffocates and loses a lot of power. And this is quite noticeable on the climbs. We will notice that the cars literally slow down and we will have to go super slow. And we will have to go super slow. The third thing would be that the cooling system is at maximum. The climate control or air conditioning can subtract a lot of power to the engine if they are running at maximum capacity. This usually happens a lot, especially when we are in very hot times. We can notice the loss of power even before the climbs, and we can also notice even vibrations throughout the car when we turn on the air conditioning. This is an indication that something is wrong with that system. The fourth thing would be the high temperatures. If the weather is too hot, it means that we will need more gasoline because the engine needs much more air to be able to burn the gasoline, and the engine will need more fuel to be able to burn the gasoline, and the problem that exists is that it is too hot. It's just that warm air contains less oxygen than air that is a little cooler. So what is going to happen is that the gasoline is not going to burn well, and we are going to have a huge loss of power, or at least a quite noticeable loss of power. Or at least a very noticeable loss of power. This is with normal engines. Now with turbo engines, this also happens because the turbo works with the air, and when the air is hot, the turbo can lose a lot of power as well. The fifth reason would be an anti-failure protection. What happens is that the computer interprets that the car may suffer a breakdown, and therefore the power to the engine is lowered a lot. If this is happening to you, it is better to go to a mechanic or someone who knows about this type of problems in the computer. Because if you continue like this, you will never have the power that the engine requires because of some misconfiguration or some problem that you have in the computer. I hope you liked the video, and if so, give me a like. Subscribe for more content like this, and if you have any faults, leave them in the comments. See you in the next video.